we're unboxing another one. Supernine RWB. I'm also eyeing on this one. Tandem. And those. Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. On today's episode, we will unbox and review this GT Spirit RWB Supernine Hong Kong on 1:18 scale. And I got this one from Keith Model Cars a few months ago. And let's open it. The box is same as all the GT Spirit, just a picture of the car on the front, on the side, and 1:18 and GT Spirit logo. Basically all the same GT Spirit boxes. And let's open it. Yeah, that's it. And quality control card, UC number 12. In the box itself, styrofoam. Yes. Let's throw this in the garbage. Nice. Supernine. I'm just gonna grab a screwdriver and let's get it. The only thing I don't have now is Auto Art RWB, which is I regret not buying before because the price now for the Auto Art RWB are insane. So as you guys can see, this is the car. Nice. Nice wheels. Nice decals. It says rain art design. Nice deep dish wheels. Supernine decals here. Nice wheels. Front canards. Yellow headlights. RWB 9. Nice. The Sweaty Equiclung decals. Silver Porsche badge. Nice. Same on the other side. Interior. The interior we cannot see because this is a sealed resin model, but details in the back, I don't know what that means. What is written there? The bumper was transplanted from Rotana. Okay. Nice. It's a Hong Kong license plate, which is nice. Stance is not a crime on the spoiler. Awesome. Also there's a, if you can see, there is a small picture. Oh, it's a skateboard. Nice. Yeah, it is a skateboard. Awesome. It's in nice shape. Nice. Supernine. JYRWB Hong Kong. Nice. Interesting. These are turning. These are, oh, it's turning too. But these are not. That was static model. So let's see the underneath the chassis. So it's numbered. There's only 1,500 made. So this is number 1316. It's quite high, but that's okay. Nice. Oh, the only thing that is nice is the glue right there. There's an over glued on that one, which is the downside of it, and that's okay. It's underneath so you can see it, but overall the model is nice. I like it, and a nice addition to my RWB fleet. Hope this gets signed by Nakai-san whenever he comes here. So, but like I said, I already have 5, so there's 4 more that haven't got signed yet by Nakai-san. So hopefully 2 of those will. But for now, let's enjoy these. Yep, so that's it guys, that's it for this video. Hope you guys enjoy this model, and thank you for watching. Please hit the like button, share it, and subscribe. Thank you guys for appreciating and supporting the channel, and see you guys next time. Bye.